Okay, so we're back, and I'm going to be doing some pickled Brussels sprouts. I've washed them and cleaned them. One of these is going to be spicy, so I'm going to throw in some jalapenos. Oh, I need to go ahead and get my bay leaves in here too. 2 per. Here's the ones that I had touched already from the last ones. Some of these are really big. I'll do just one leaf in this one because it's small. That's the hot one. Got 3 left. Are they gonna fit? Squeeze. Alright. Okay. There. They fit. Let me get my recipe. On these, each one gets 4 cloves of garlic. Again, I'm going to smash them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be enough. Smash them where they can get aromatic in there with them. Let's see. You don't have to squish your garlic like this. I do it just where it gives off more flavor in the jar. We'll drop a few small ones in there. 4 in there. Just give them a little more love because that's what was there. Alright. Dry spices. We need 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn for these big ones. Let's do half for this little fella here. 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, so we'll do half there. Oh, here. Oh, there. Bay leaves. Pepper flakes. We need a 1/4 teaspoon. Is that the hot one? So we'll do no extra there. I did want a little bit of dill taste in here, so I'm going to put a teaspoon of dill in each of these. It doesn't call for it, but I do like the taste of dill, so. And again, a teaspoon of this dry dill is equal to a tablespoon of fresh dill. That's about a half a teaspoon there. Alright, now, let's get these filled. All that goodness down in that hot water. It says you're supposed to boil these Brussels sprouts beforehand, but I find it makes them not as crisp when you do that after they've sat in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks and marinated and all this goodness. So, and because I am putting this hot water on them, it will cook them slightly as they sit and cool down before I put them in the refrigerator. So they're going to be pretty much similar to parboiled already because this liquid is so hot. As you can see, I'm able to push more down as I put this vinegar, water, salt, sugar mixture on it. Get that clove of garlic down in there under. A little more fluid on this one. Alright. They are filled. Blue lid. Blue lid. We'll go with purple for spicy. Alright, so we've got the pickled Brussels sprouts. Again, they'll sit in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks to marry. And then they'll be able to be ate. I'll be back.